90% of Himalayan owners and the issues that they face with the phone set is something that I've been wanting to cover for a really long time. And this, I believe, is one of the most important subjects that needs special addressing. It's a simple subject which most of us have misunderstood for what it is, and have gone great lengths and have tried their best efforts to solve. But it isn't as complicated as one would think. The Royal Enfield Himalayan, or for that matter any dual purpose bike, if you were to use it for what it is, then you are definitely bound to have this come your way, this issue. And that is the steering stem bearings going off a bit, and you starting to feel a bit of a play in the handlebar. And that is nothing to complain about. That is something which is the usual wear and tear of an off-road motorcycle, which you have to take care of by yourselves, more like a periodic maintenance or part of the regular maintenance schedule. And so that is what it is. There's nothing more to it. I will just show you how to diagnose the whole thing and then go about fixing it if there is a need to fix it. Otherwise, just do a periodic check of how things are, and then you're good to go. Morning friends, so that's Ashi on the bike. She is on the back seat. So first things first, I have her sitting at the back, putting her weight on the rear wheel, and the front, as you can see, is lifted off the ground. So yeah, so what I do now is I hold the forks together and I pull them towards me and see if there's a play, like a forward and backward play, which would indicate that the steering stem bearings need to be tightened or replaced. We'll see. If it is a small tiny forward backward movement, then I don't think I ought to have any serious trouble going with the bearings. All I need to do is just retighten them or get the right torque, and things will be done. But if it's going to be too much of a play, then I might have to open things up and see for myself what needs to be done. Anyways, you guys can see for yourself. Lean back. That's perfect. Absolutely perfect. No noise, no nothing. And also to see if there's anything wrong with my no notches. No notches and no hiccups. The handlebar moves freely, super free. There's absolutely no binding anywhere. I'm super comfortable with the way it is, with the way things are. Yeah, that's about it. That's all there is to it. Good to go. Yes, Ashi, you can come down now.